Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sec Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Google search keeps switching over to Yahoo on Chrome. So this can get highly annoying. So what we want to do is just simply go up to settings in the top right, scroll on down, go to here, settings, open this up. Then the first option we want to go to is search engine on the left. We can just go to change and switch it back on over to Google. Go to set as default. Once we do that, we can scroll on down and we can go to on startup. So you might have some pages on here on a specific page that's set to maybe Yahoo or something like that. You can just go to it and simply just remove it from this list so you don't see it on here anymore. Or you can just go to open a new tab. And it's just going to show up like this now. Open a specific page. Well, since I have Google on there, it should just open up to that one. But just set this, make sure Yahoo's not displaying in there. Then we can go on down under here and we want to go to where it says extensions. Now this is going to open up a new tab on the top. So just look at these tabs and disable any extension that you don't recognize. So if you see something here that's kind of strange, just simply remove it. Go to it, remove. So if you didn't do that yourself, remove it. That could be the reason why Yahoo's pretty much indefinitely on your computer. Then we can go back, switch tabs back over to settings and go on down to where it says reset settings. So there could be a setting that just got flipped for some reason. And if you restore your settings on here, it can get rid of Yahoo from that setting. So we got disable extensions, delete cookies, other temporary site data. So you can try this out too. Go to reset settings right here. Now we can also go to our computer, go to start, go to settings. Then go on over to applications. Go to installed apps on the top. Wait for this load and you want to go to the sort by date on the top and switch it to date installed. So if this just started happening recently, if you go to date installed, you'll see any kind of applications you downloaded within, I guess, a certain time frame. Here you can just look at the date. So this one is 2/13/2026. So it looks like that probably was updated today for gaming services. Then we got Microsoft Bing on here. So if you notice anything on here that's kind of strange, maybe a new game downloaded and you don't recognize it for some reason, just simply come in here and uninstall that application. So this could be the reason why it's switching on over as well. So this one looks kind of strange. What is this? Ink handwriting main store? I don't think that's causing problems, but it is strange. Let's go on over to privacy and security now, because we probably downloaded something by accident. Could be a virus. So let's go to Windows Security. And then go to virus and threat protection right here. And just do a quick scan. Now, most of the time your computer, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, will do a quick scan and scan for viruses. But if we downloaded something recently, we want to go and just do a quick scan to make sure. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.